Hey everyone, on this channel I review various sites that you send me. I do it so you don't have to. The topic of today's video is Roblox gift cards completely free, which is on a site a few of you asked me to review. Is it possible? Can you get it? Oh yeah, yes you can, you will find out in this video how. I'll just explain what a gift card is, and most people already know, but for those who don't, it's worth explaining. With a gift card you can charge your Roblox account for a certain amount and then buy yourself a premium subscription. You can get Robux and you can get also your favorite skins and more. The website that I'm gonna show you is great. It gives you Roblox gift cards completely free. And you can find it in the pinned comment below. So if you go to the comments, the pinned comment has the link where you can go and get the gift cards. Alright, so let's just go on and see the contents of the site. The site has already sent out thousands of gift cards and you can check it out over here. Let me show you. Here at the bottom it shows the amount of gift card that it has sent. Alright, so let's get started. Firstly, you need to go to Get Free Gift Cards button and then click here and it's gonna send you in this new window. Once you are on this new page, you simply need to choose the desired gift card from $10 to $100. Afterwards, you need to click on the Proceed button. This is going to require you to complete a few extra steps. I have already completed them before shooting this video because I didn't want to make this video very long. But once you complete the steps, you will get the gift card code just like this. I'm gonna copy it right now and I've put it on this text document. Alright, once you copy the gift card, go to roblox.com and then go to the gift cards button over here and then tap on the redeem code. Once you are on this new window, you need to simply paste your code and then tap on redeem. And that's all you need to do. In the end, you will have the gift card just like this. In my case, as you can see here, it has been redeemed and I have 10,000 Robux because $100 give you 10,000 Robux in your account. So this is it, this is all you need to do. So yeah, the site works and it gives Roblox gift cards for free. I really recommend it. This is a great site, especially for people who love playing the game because they can get all the premium features and they can get Robux for free. If you want me to check any other sites, please ask in the comments. I check most days and will do a review for you. If you like the video, do not forget to leave a like and subscribe. It really helps. Have a great day.